Alright guys, we are going to make this video incredibly quickly today. One final update for the scavenger mining for the Night token. Ultimately, I ended up with 1,309 Night token, and that's going to be on top of my original 3,724 Night token. So with this whole glacier drop setup, I ended up with 5,033 Night token. When it comes to scavenger mining specifically, I was only using one computer, and I ended up having some issues. Early on, if we go 21 days into the past, there we go, we'll see that I, for the most part, was doing okay, but I had a couple of failures. But for some reason or another, a majority of the early days, I ended up missing quite a few due to either power outages or internet issues. So those are on me, those are on my side, so I ended up missing out. Around day 13, everything started getting back to normal where everything was being consistent. And then we had the random day 20, so yesterday, where like everything was failing or not finalizing. I did see when I got home from work that it was a known issue. All I had to do was refresh and it kind of got it back on track. And then for the last day, we still had some issues. I solved 5, didn't solve 9. So overall, I think it's pretty good. I know some people were running multiple browsers, and then there was apps you can download where you could be running multiple instances. I didn't want to do all that. I just wanted to see how well I could do with my one computer. So let me know in the comments section below how you guys did. Did you mine more than 1,300? Did you mine less than 1,300 Night tokens? I'm curious in the comment section below, and let me know how many instances of the scavenger mining you guys were running. Alright guys, really short video today, but hopefully you liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.